my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. And today we have a look of XRP Ripple coin. What's the prices goes in the XRP Ripple coin? What's the next target of XRP Ripple coin? Where can XRP Ripple coin hit a $2 or not, friends? So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news in Ripple coin, friends. That is a live price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin of the last 1 hour, friends. And what's the change goes in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour? You're watching now on the screen, friends. XRP Ripple coin, the change occur in the last 1 hour is absolutely a bit falling occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. 0% change occur, 1.05% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now if we look the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, so the high price is $1.72 USD dollar is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now friends, for a next price detection, we have to look the last 1 day, and as XRP Ripple coin move upward or falls down continuously, friends. So friends, the previous period they start explosion, but unfortunately in the last 1 day, in the last 12 hours, they continuously starts in the XRP Ripple coin. As you can see, a false start in XRP Ripple coin in the previous periods, friends. And from the previous period, now this time the previous last 12 hours, they continuously falls occur in the XRP Ripple coin. That's mean that XRP Ripple coin in the falls. That is why the change is here in the last 1 day as negative 2.02%. And friends, the high price of XRP Ripple coin is $1.84 USD dollar is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 day period, friends. So friends, now let's see the last 7 day price predictions. What's the change goes in XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 7 day, friends. So friends, if we look the last 7 day price prediction of the XRP Ripple coin, so as you know, the previous a high jump explosion occurs in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous days. As you can see here, that is why the whole change in the last 1 week as in positive 65.37% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, friends. And the high price of the XRP Ripple coins in the last 1 hour is they are near $2. 1.91 USD dollar is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 week, friends. So in the last 1 week, they gonna try to touch $2, but unfortunately they again falls down, and now the current price of the XRP Ripple coin is here $1.7 USD dollar is the current price of XRP Ripple coin, friends. So friends, what's the next plane of XRP Ripple coin? What's the next target of XRP Ripple coin? As you can see here, now currently at this time XRP Ripple coin in the falls. As you can see here, now at this time in the falling occur in the XRP Ripple coin. So we have to always think positive. Maybe they goes upward in the futures, maybe they take a high explosion, and maybe they falls down. As you can see here, but now currently at this time they are also in the fall, so there is a lot of chances to again take an explosion. As you can see here, after a fast they have to take an explosion, so same that this kind of procedure occurs in this period. So as you can see, the explosion time is full. Now it's time to explode, friends. What's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? Can XRP Ripple coin hit $2 in this week or not? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates about XRP Ripple coin.